Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 26 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. What will we be making today? I've been looking for recipes and experimenting a lot to figure out what I want to do with this amazing Starlight Distillery Blackberry Whiskey. So after much experimentation and a lot of debate around this house, we've decided on the Blackberry Mole Boulevardier. So let's figure out first what we're going to need to make this cocktail. I've selected the Starlight Distillery Blackberry Whiskey. There are many great ones out there. I highly recommend going with one that is natural, such as Starlight's. Second, we need Campari. Campari has this amazing, vibrant yet bittersweet notes that come with the hints of the herbal and everything that happens in a Campari. Next, we have two bitters tonight because we got to get that chocolate note happening. I was dreaming of blackberry and chocolates. So first, we're going to use the Mole bitters, which is a deep, dark chocolate that has hints of cinnamon and some kind of dark spices that takes it on a journey. Second, we're going to use the Aztec chocolate bitters, also a darker chocolate, but it's a little bit lighter than the Mole bitters. Together, it's going to be an amazing combination of chocolate. So for this cocktail, we are going to be stirring it, and so you'll need a mixing glass that has ice. I'm choosing to use a coupe glass tonight because the colors of this cocktail are going to be amazing, and it's going to show off really beautifully in that coupe glass. So let's get started step by step so you can make this along with me. So first, we're going to grab our Starlight Blackberry Whiskey, and we're going to use 1.5 ounces. Now just watch this as it goes into the mixing glass, and you'll see how beautiful this is going to be. It's got so much color. That is so blackberry. It's got that beautiful purple hint to it, and I'm just loving that. Next, we're going to use a Campari. Now, often with a Campari, if you're making a Boulevardier, you would use equal parts of whiskey and the Campari. I found that I wanted to back the Campari off by just 1/4 ounce to give that blackberry forward note. So I'm going with 1.25 ounce of the Campari. It's a gorgeous color. It's going to complement that blackberry color. Look at that. And 1/4 ounce more. There we go. That'd be lovely. Now we're ready for our bitters. We're going to start with the Mole bitters. We're going to have it be the dominant bitter because it's got a little bit more complexity to it. So I'm going to use 3 dashes of the Mole. When I first bought the Mole, I was not sure I was ever going to use them, and now I use them quite a bit. Next, the Aztec chocolate bitters. I'm going to tell you right now, this drink is already smelling amazing. 2 dashes of the Aztec. So this is giving us our chocolate notes. I will say that I did experiment with creme de cacao because I thought that would give an extra creaminess, and it was quite luscious, but for my taste buds, it was a little on the sweet side. So if you do have creme de cacao, maybe 1/4 ounce. If you like things a little bit sweeter, you might enjoy that. Just a little extra side tip there if you want to customize this for you. So now we're going to stir this because it's very important that it be completely mixed as well as chilled. That's feeling very chilled now. I think we're good. Now, I did chill the coupe glass for just a bit while I was gathering everything, so it's a little cool on its own, which is great. And I'm going to use a strainer because I don't really want that ice in the glass. So that's what we're going to do now. Such a beautiful color. I know you're going to just love this. I have determined that I'm not going to garnish this. I thought about an orange peel. I also thought about maybe doing a little chocolate shavings on here. But again, I love this beautiful, rich, dark red color. So I decided just to leave it as it is. I'm going to check out the aroma. It's so fragrant. It's almost floral, and it's got the blackberry notes and hints of chocolate and some deep dark spices. Cheers to trying this Blackberry Mole Boulevardier. That is rich. It is almost decadent, but the Campari keeps it from going over the top sweet. I love the balance of the kind of vibrant bitter notes of the Campari with this amazing fresh blackberry whiskey by Starlight. And these two bitters, the mole and the Aztec chocolate bitters, they just play very well with this. So I hope you'll give this a try. I happen to love a Boulevardier, and this is kind of a riff on it a little bit because we didn't quite do equal parts and we subbed a few things here and there, but I think you will really enjoy this cocktail. Leave me a note in the comments if you give it a try. Let me know what you think, or if you shook it up a little bit and tried something a little bit different to make your Blackberry Mole Boulevardier. Have a safe and wonderful evening. Always drink responsibly, and have a fantastic Thirsty Thursday. Cheers.